Hi Eric, it's Willem here. So I just want to explain to you that there's a bit of a issue, if I can call it that, with the TripAdvisor feed. I just want to explain to you, they have monetized the API. And what the API is the call that the website makes to TripAdvisor to ask it to send the reviews to the page, and it displays the page. And every time somebody refreshes the page on the website, wherever this feed is embedded, it counts as a one API. So what TripAdvisor is saying is that you can do 5,000 API calls for free every month, and then when you go over it, then it will start billing you. So what it does is it's got this set your daily budget. So in other words, if you go over the 5,000, I'm going to get to this now. If you go over 5,000 API calls, then you can select at what price they can bill you. In other words, if you've had 6,200 refreshes, it will cost you $10. Okay, so the only way for us to proceed by connecting the TripAdvisor is to go to this page. You need to log in and then go to this page. I'm going to send it in the email, and then your website doesn't even reach 1,000 API calls in a month. So you're not even near to, I think I saw just now, it was just the average was about 600. So in other words, there won't be any charges, but TripAdvisor won't let us do the connection if you haven't confirmed this order. So what you need to do, if you still want to use it, you need to go to this link. Then you can just set it here at 5,000. It's just something to, it's a cost estimator, but you can see it's $0. And then set your daily budget. So we're not going to have a budget, but you're going to have to select a minimum. And then you need to confirm your order. So they're not going to bill you, but what they want to do is they want a credit card or a PayPal account connected to this API. For in case you go over your 5,000 API requests. Now it's a bit stupid for me. I don't know why they need to do it in this way. But I think the main reason they want to do it like this is for large websites that are abusing the API, because you would be able to gain from the API before you need to pay. So I think that's why they're doing it. Okay, so if you want to connect TripAdvisor, you'll need to go and set this $10 a day. You won't pay it because, like I said, I had a look, you're only on 600 APIs in a month, so you're not even near. And then you say confirm order, and they're going to force you to add either your credit card or use your PayPal, and just select your country as well. After you've done this, I would be able to get an API code. If they email it to you, if they give it to you, you can just send it to me and I can connect it to the website. Okay, thank you. Bye.